This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Larry Hahn. Enjoy a southern, commanding view of the beautiful fifth green at the Crown Colony Golf Club through a picture-frame screened lanai and pool from this very unique Erica model. This floor plan was enlarged by the builder at construction with an added bedroom and bath, making this the only 2,359 square feet, 4/3 model of its type. The new flat tile roof was just installed in December, and the house can be made storm-ready quickly with electric roll-down shutters at the large openings with easy-to-install clear Lexan shutters at the windows. Newer LV flooring was installed in the main living areas, the primary bedroom and the fourth bedroom. Bedrooms 2 and 3 have new carpeting just installed. The kitchen and all 3 baths have tiled flooring. White plantation shutters cover all windows. The HOA is very well run with low quarterly fees, providing all lawn maintenance on a weekly schedule, 24/7 attended gated access, a community pool, hot tub, 4 true tennis courts, and well-equipped fitness center open 24/7. Comcast fiber optic cable and the Xfinity X1 platform with up to 4 TV/DVR boxes, and high-speed Wi-Fi internet, are all part of the dues, over a $750 quarterly value at retail. Social or golf membership at the golf club at Crown Colony is optional, and offering the following special: for a limited time, a golf membership purchased within 60 days of closing on this home will allow a 15% reduction in the club initiation fee. And there is no waitlist for golf membership. Please call the club for more details. This club was chosen for the 2022 LPGA $1.5 million Drive-On Championship, hosting the world's top women golfers, and is also used for PGA qualifying events. For more information, review the details below or contact Larry Hahn at 239-898-8789.